Are you craving a pasta that packs a punch? Man, look no further. Check out this Spicy Rigatoni vodka sauce, which is about to become your new favorite. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. And if this is your first time, well, today Chef Dom took the day off. So we're gonna go ahead and go solo today, just myself and Sean over there. Anyway, you know what they say, the show must go on, so let's get cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy tomato sauce that packs just the right amount of heat. It'll get your taste buds singing. A gentleman by the name of Mario Carbone invented this dish. He's got a restaurant in New York. He's got restaurants, I think, in Hong Kong, Las Vegas, Miami. And this dish is one of their most popular pasta entrees. It costs $34. But we're going to show you how to make it. A group of monks, actually Benedictine monks, created this cheese. They were trying to find a way to extend the shelf life of all this milk they were creating. Alright, now we're going to put some olive oil in here, just regular olive oil, about a quarter cup. We're going to put our onions in first. That's about a half a cup of onions right there. Alright, get my Brooklyn Brothers spoon. I'm going to cook these onions for about 2 minutes and then we'll let it garlic. Let that fry up for about another 2-3 minutes. Alright, now we're going to add our calabrese peppers. Now these are very hot. You probably want to start out with probably about a teaspoon. But we like it hot, so we're going to do a teaspoon and a half. I also like to use these calabrese peppers in our chili, our Italian chili. You need to try it. It's on our channel. Alright, that's cooking up. Now we got our vodka here. About an ounce of vodka. Beautiful. Let that cook out a minute. Vodka gives it a nice, crisp taste, in my opinion. Alright. Now, we're going to go ahead and add the tomato paste. All we need is probably about 4 ounces. Let that paste cook up. Smells good already, huh? Paste is cooked up. I cooked that for about 2 minutes. Oh, I've got some San Marzano tomatoes that I blended up. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put some black pepper, probably about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now we're going to let this cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes and then this will be ready to go. Now we're going to add the final touches. Fresh basil from the garden and then some whipping cream. That's a cup of whipping cream right there. Now we're going to transform the sauce from red to orange. Nice. There, look at that. That's the color you want there. That nice bright orange color. Alright. We'll let that cook up and then we'll get that rigatoni in next. Alright, water's boiling. Now we're going to go ahead and add salt.
And don't be afraid to add salt. It's got to penetrate the pasta. It's about 2 tablespoons of salt for 1 pound. Now we got our rigatoni here.
Why do some people put oil in the pasta water?
Well, they think it's going to keep it from prevent it from sticking, but honestly, that's a myth. You do not need olive oil in your water or any type of oil. As long as you frequently stir it, it will not stick. All right, we're going to cook these al dente, which means firm to the bite. And then I'm going to reserve a cup of the water.
Okay, we're cooking the rigatoni. The word rigatoni comes from the word rigate, which means lined or striped. Anyway, this pasta was actually invented in northern Italy.
Pasta's ready. It's a little undercooked because I want to finish cooking it in the sauce here. I went ahead and got some of that pasta water I was talking about earlier. I'm going to put it in half right now. I'm going to let this cook right in the sauce. Oh, look at that.
That's Chef Donald's name. Yum, yum.
That's right. A bit more water. There's about a cup of water in there. We'll let this finish cooking right. This for about 2 minutes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn the heat off. And now we're going to go ahead and put in the Reggiano Parmesan. Look at that cheese. Beautiful. Just mix that up evenly. Get it nice and evenly coated. Beautiful dish. And that's it. This is ready to serve. I got the perfect plate for this dish. Look at that there. Isn't that beautiful? Oh man. Here. Looking good. Wow. This pasta really does pack a punch. The cream offsets the heat where it creates this addictive flavor. It's really, really delicious.
I have a link to our website that has the recipe. Also, come visit our store. We have Brooklyn Brothers merch on there as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. We do appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you in the next recipe. Ciao.